Hi, I'm Emily from Camper Reparadise. I'm going to take you guys through this 170 Sprinter van that we're working on a full build out on. We're about halfway through, so it'd give you guys a little update and show you what to expect. Walking inside, we already have all of our exterior bolt-on components done, so now we're just working on the interior. We have these custom cowlings installed on the rear door as well as the sliding door and up front to border the driver and passenger seats. We just started installing the wall kit. So we have our driver's side wall kit done, our cabinets, which we built outside of the van and then put into place. Those are coming in and those are going to be a nice deep blue. So we got white walls and blue cabinets, which I'm really excited for. We haven't done that combination yet in any of our Sprinter vans. So on this side over here, we have our driver's side cabinet, which has our systems in it. We have our water tank down low, our electrical cabinet on top of that, and then on the left side, our Van Life Tech water heater system. On this side, our passenger side, we just have a storage cabinet essentially, and then the bed goes on top of these two cabinets. We have a bed leaf system that goes down in between to make this into a really large bed, but also during the daytime, you can take those leaves out and it's a really open floor plan. We're also gonna have some overhead cabinets here, here, and here. And those are our Reparadise overhead cabinets that we've made for our Sprinter vans. You can also buy them on our website. They're really low profile. They don't get in your way. You won't hit your head on them. They don't take up a lot of visual space. They're like a really great size and conform to the walls of the Sprinter van really well. And then moving into the front of the van, over here we have our Galley Kitchen. So we're using 3 of our Reparadise kitchen boxes essentially that are modular. We put our fridge box here up against our passenger side rear cabinet, our drawer box, and then our sink box. So we have a little bit of overlap with the sliding door here. And then on the other side, on the driver's side, we're gonna have our toilet in this area right up against the driver's side rear cabinet. And then in front of that, our bench seat that folds down into a second bed area. And if you look up into the ceiling here, our thin slit material that we installed after we installed our wire harness, and we sell this at Reparadise as well. So if you tell us what size your van is, we'll give you the exact amount that you need. We installed our electrical chase here that houses and protects our electrical system, and then it branches off from this area here. We also have our ceiling braces. Gives the van a little bit more rigidity, but they also work really well with our overhead cabinets so that you can fasten them into many locations on the ceiling here, and you know that your overhead cabinets are going to be super secure. All right, so that's it for the interior. I'm going to pass you guys off to Brandon, and he's going to talk to you a little bit about the exterior bolt-on components.
All right, let's check out some of the features that we've got on the exterior of this thing. So starting right here on the passenger side, we're featuring Aluminesce's Nerf bars. So tread plate step right into the vehicle. We haven't gotten it done yet, but here next week we'll have a new set of wheels, tires, and the Van Compass 4.3 suspension kit. We've got CA tuned hammerhead front bumper with worn winch. Some code 4 7-inch Baja style LED lights on the front. If you look up top, we've got an Odin roof rack featuring code 4 lighting all the way around, spotlights, light bar, rugged design concepts ladder. This is a super awesome ladder, nice big tread plates on there for great grip. Got some Van components in the rear. Right here we've got the spare tire carrier on the opposite side. We do have a Sherpa, some multi-use carrier, and then Rugged Designs bumper to help step into the rear of the van, and a Fiamma manual awning, 10 foot 6 inches long, to finish out what we have got on this thing so far. So I don't know, maybe we'll have some more stuff in the future, so just stay tuned, see what else we can throw on this thing.